Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to Commerce Township, Michigan. Today we're checking out this beautiful 3,800 square foot colonial. It's equipped with 4 beds, 3.5 baths. It does have a finished daylight basement. As you see, a really nice property. Listed at $799,900. Check the inside out here. One of my favorite open concept kitchen to living room combinations here. And a wonderful kitty there. Look at that. Really nice, large countertop space, a lot of storage, all stainless steel appliances, great pantry, great cubby storage there. Of course, got the powder room. Clients did a very nice job with this house. Really nice updates. Modern, but not super boring. Love a nice dry bar. Here we're taking you through a formal living room, sitting room, could be an office. Nice bonus space. And this is your formal library. Again, bonus room. Using it as an office here. Heading upstairs now. Again, we have 4 bedrooms, and we do have some really good sized rooms. Nice windows in the home, good light flow overall. So you can see a lot of storage space too. A lot of good sized closets. Upstairs laundry, everyone's favorite, really convenient. Really nice big bonus room right above the garage here. You see they're using it as sort of like a media entertainment room. Heading into the master bedroom now. Nice ceilings, nice open room, not too cramped. Into the bathroom, nice functional bath. This is the other bath for the other 2 bedrooms on the side, as well as heading into another good sized bedroom. Heading down to the basement now. Did a really nice job. Great entertainer's basement as mentioned with the daylight windows. Got a nice, almost a kitchenette, but a Wetmore area. Got a lot of options down here. You can do all kinds of different things. Tankless water heater, good utility. What do you think about the workout equipment in the basement? Is that something you would do, or would you rather go to a gym? Let me know, drop a comment. Again, tons of good storage in here. And another bathroom down there. So thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thank you.